Spring has very much arrived here in beautiful Geneva, and it's time for us to see who will be following the FX surfing Johnny Sue as the Dukascopy Trader of the Month. And we're back in the splendid Beau Rivage Hotel. Quite amazingly, our first Trader of the Month was an inspiration to February's winner.
About 7 days ago, I watched the Duka TV on the website, and an Asian guy called Johnny Sue. He do very good trading, and he is the winner of January. And at that time, I think if one day I can become like him, so it should be like a grateful thing for me. It's just like kind of dream, but after 7 days, it just come true the dream. Yeah.
Despite only being a trader for 14 months, Mr. Chiu gained returns of 91% in February, making him the Trader of the Month. And he's been telling me about some of his trading secrets.
If I do trading, I will do on 15-minute or 10-minute chart. And also there's two indicator, MACD and RSI.
Like his predecessor, Mr. Chiu put simplicity ahead of overly complex technical analysis. When it comes to currency pairs, he prefers the fast-moving nature of the European majors. Half his trades were on the cable, followed by euro-dollar.
Euro is moving like slow, so when you know you're long, you have chance to get out of the trade, the annual trading, and the stop loss is not that much. But for pound, you can have more profit, and also you take more or less in trading it. But I'm happy to trading pound because it's like each day it will move up and down, so it's a chance to make profit.
Mr. Chiu is obviously an ambitious trader. He's not content with scalping a few pips, as he aims to make between 20 to 30 pips per trade. But ultimately, Mr. Chiu says discipline is key.
I think for a trader, don't need to like too greedy. It's not a good thing. So just focus on your strategy, focus on how much pip you want, and then have ready to exit your position. Each day is a fresh start. You need to just forget your loss or your earning yesterday.
February's been an uncertain times in terms of the FX markets. Has that provided you with some profit opportunities?
The market is moving quite strange, I think. So it's quite hard to keep your strategy each day. You need to make a new plan for another day, for tomorrow. If today the market is going up 100 pip or 150 pip, and then in another day I will think about, is this trend is going to keep it or is it going to change? I will be very carefully.
Can you talk to me about the relationship between gold and oil and the FX market?
The gold and crude oil market, nowadays they having the same direction with US dollar, I think.
Mm-hmm. And in the past it was maybe the opposite relationship?
Yeah, they're always changing. Mm-hmm. So you need to like monitor it and will update your plan of trading. Do your own strategy. You don't need to like listen to other people in a forum or something. They will say the crude oil going up and then the US dollar should be going down, but that might be not just right, maybe just wrong. So you need to follow your own plan.
After a slightly shaky start to the month, Mr. Chiu performed particularly strongly in February's second half. He turned over $131 million in that period. Our Trader of the Month gives technical analysis and fundamental news equal weighing in terms of importance. And when it comes to finding out what's happening in the world of Forex, he knows where to look.
Dukascopy TV is quite helpful for me, offering like resistance and support and some market news. They are quite important, those parts. And sometimes if I haven't lost in a market, I will try to like watch the Duka cartoon. Yeah, that one's quite funny and made me feel better, and then I will get back trading.
I'm very pleased to offer you this award, which is the symbol of transparency, which reflects our company principle. In fact, it's really what the company is looking to provide for the trader. a fair, transparent environment, and we would like to give it to you. So congratulations and welcome to the club. Could you sleep yesterday night before getting the award?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
We are very proud because the president from Switzerland and the government from Switzerland wear this watch, because in this watch there are no copy. And after that we have Bill Clinton, Kofi Annan, Putin, Bouteflika, Gérard Depardieu is in the board of the company, and we're very happy with this.
Mr. CHIU comes from a computing background and turned to the internet for much of his forex trading strategy. And in many ways, our first two victors couldn't be more different.
They're both very successful with totally different background, but also different personality. With Mr. CHIU, who is very quiet, as you realize, and this is very important for us because we also realize traders are not all the same. They trade differently, but also the personality, and this is something very important for us to know each traders and to try to understand them and their needs. More and more now traders are autodidact, let's say, and they look on internet, they find information, they go on some professional chat or blogs or forum to get the news, just to know the trend or what the market thinks in order to take their position and to feel more comfortable, let's say.
Our first two winners have two very different personalities, but they both maintain a very simple approach to the FX markets, and they've both had a lot of success. So get clicking and you could be the next Dukascopy Trader of the Month. I'm Peter Lovegrove for Dukascopy TV.